To download the Semrush dashboard, follow these steps. First, log into your Semrush account by going to the Semrush website and entering your email and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Projects tab and select the project for which you want to download the dashboard. Next, click on the Audits tab and then select the audit type you want to download, such as Technical CO Audit or Content Audit. Now, click on the Download button and select the file format you want to download the report in, such as PDF or CSV. You can also customize the report by selecting the sections you want to include in the data range. For example, you can choose to include only the issues found during the audit or the recommendations for improvement. Additionally, you can select the date range for which you want to download the data. After customizing the report, click on the Download button to start the download process. Depending on the size of the report, it may take a few seconds or minutes to download. Once the report is downloaded, you can open it in the selected file format and view the data. It is a good practice to regularly download and review your Semrush dashboard to track your website's progress and identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you can easily download your Semrush dashboard and gain valuable insights into your website's performance.